Hello, I'm Eunjung Jong, a science culture interpreter at the Children's Science Museum of the Busan National Science Museum. Fly, fly, airplane, a dream inspired by birds flying in the sky, made possible by airplanes. This is the activity zone where you can make and fly airplanes. If even heavier and larger airplanes can fly, wouldn't it be easy to fly this tiny airplane? Not sure?
How can such heavy airplanes fly?
Curious? Let me explain the principles of how airplanes fly. Once you know the principle, you can fly paper airplanes better too. The lift of an airplane comes from the angle and shape of its wings. Airplane wings aren't flat but slightly tilted upward. This is called the angle of attack. When the airplane moves forward, where does air hit the wing? The bottom? That's right. Air pushes against the tilted bottom of the wing, lifting it up. Scientifically, as the airplane moves forward, it exerts an action on the air. In return, the air exerts an equal reaction on the wing. This follows Newton's third law, action and reaction. That's how airplanes gain the lift to stay in the air. Now, look at the shape of the airplane wing. The bottom of the wing is flat, while the top is curved. This streamlined cross-section is called an airfoil. As the airplane speeds up, the air moves at different speeds above and below the wing. Which side has faster moving air? The top? Correct! Observing airflow. The air above the curved top flows faster. Faster airflow above reduces air pressure. Slower airflow below increases pressure. Low pressure areas are called low pressure. High pressure areas are high pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. This creates an upward force from the high pressure below to the low pressure above. This force is called lift. Lift allows airplanes to rise, while engine thrust moves them forward. Airplanes are also affected by two other forces besides lift and thrust. Gravity opposes lift. Drag opposes thrust. By balancing these forces, airplanes can fly in the sky. Does that answer your question? Now, shall we make and fly a paper airplane? There are many ways to fold a paper airplane. I'll choose this one to make it fly far. To make it fly far, you need to balance the center of gravity and fold it carefully. Write your dream on it and let it soar beautifully. I'll head to the launcher to fly my airplane. I think I'm ready for the longest paper airplane flight competition. You should try flying your dream-filled paper airplane too.